Scott the Fix-It Guy. We're dealing with a Frigidaire front-loading washing machine that was leaking, getting some water down here. Our suspicion is that probably the boot might have a rip. So one thing we can look at if we have a leak is the integrity of this boot, and there may be a hole or a tear somewhere down here at the bottom of the boot. Just taking a look. This one looks good. Looks pretty strong. Nice and thick boot. There's always a little mold. That's normal. I'm just looking up here, and we're pulling back on this part of the boot so we can really see down in here. But I think this one's okay. I don't think that's the source of the leak. A Frigidaire affinity washer, and there's been a complaint that at the end of the cycle, when it's all done, there's about a third of a cup of water right here, and we're about 10 minutes in, and I'm noticing, I don't know if you can see this, but we have some water and we have a drip. And one of the common things that cause this is really simple to fix, but it's where the glass bowl on the inside where it meets the rubber, you can have some like pet fur that gets between the glass and the rubber, and you don't get a watertight seal, and some water, you can see it even, some water will dribble between the glass and the rubber, and it'll come down here in the front. Sometimes when you look, you'll see, it's hard to see this on the video, but you'll see like a little bit of discoloration, and we can see a little bit of drip here. So again, really easy to cure. All it is a matter of taking Windex and just really cleaning the bottom of the glass bowl. So that's going to be really easy to fix. So to fix the dribble leak problem where a little bit of water dribbles down the front, ends up here, all we got to do is, once the door is open, just got to clean the glass, which is pretty easy to do. So what we're seeing is just some hair has got caught between the rubber and the glass, and we're just going to clean all that stuff, get rid of that. Sometimes there'll be some fur, and just going to clean that. You can also look at the rubber, and sometimes you'll notice that there might be a chip missing, and then you would need to replace the bellows. But this one, I think there's just some stuff in the way. I'm going to clean all that, and then the main place to clean is underneath here, underneath the glass. That's where a lot of stuff accumulates, and you can also clean all the way around, but mainly down here is where you're going to get the leak. So we're just going to get some of that stuff out of there. Again, it's just mainly hair builds up. So when you get it clean, then the glass will make a really nice watertight connection with the rubber, and you won't have a problem. So you just can clean this, maybe once every couple of months is all you need. You have pets, especially if they have like a long hair type of dog, you might want to do it more. Alright, and that's it. Now we have a nice clean glass. They'll make a nice clean connection to the rubber. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance.